So you want to know how much you really made on that $50 item that you sold on eBay? Well, hang tight because I'm going to teach you how to figure it out right now. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to actually find out how much profit you made from an item that you sold on eBay. So if we go over here to the sold items, okay, these are your orders. We're going to just look order subtotal and the order total. The order total will include sales tax and shipping cost, okay? So if you click view order details, okay, this is going to show us how much money, how much profit we actually made from this item. I am going to move myself over to this side because then you can actually see over here. This item sold for $13, $9.99 shipping, and $1.55 sales tax. Now, with eBay, it's a little bit different because they actually charge you final value fee or seller fee. They charge you for the shipping, and they also charge you for the sales tax, which is really crazy. Anyway, the order total including tax is $24.54. Okay, then they're going to take out this $1.55. Okay, they're also going to take out your fees from selling the item. Then they're going to take out your shipping label. So we shipped it for $9.99. We actually only paid $4.81, which is great. Our total earnings are $14.85 after all eBay fees have come out and shipping. And so what that means is I think I had this listed at $25.99 and I took $13 because I knew that I'd only paid $2 for it in a bale. So that was a pretty good deal. That one sold for $14.85 profit. But as you can see, eBay actually took almost $10 out for fees and shipping. So let's go on and look at this Patagonia. Okay. This, oh, we haven't done... We haven't actually done the shipping on this because they haven't paid. So let's go to a different one. We only want to see items that we've actually shipped because it's going to take out the shipping cost. So this one, if you go down here, you see we sold 2 of them for $13.58. We charged $5 shipping. Sales tax is here, so they paid $19.70. The order total, now here's where everything comes out, okay? The label cost is $7.20, so we actually lost money on shipping on this item. The ad fee standard, probably promoted listings. So we sold 2, we made $6.68, which is fine because we paid $1 for them out of a pallet. Not usually what I'd look for profit margin, but those I just kind of wanted to get rid of. Let's look at this. Let's look at an item that sold for $9, okay? Because you think, man, $9, you did not make anything. Well, let's look. Okay, sold for $9. Shipping is $9.99, and tax here, so $19.56 is what the buyer paid. Okay, so we come down here. They take out the tax. They take off the transaction fees, which is what you pay eBay, and then the shipping label. We actually made $11.53, and I think we paid $1 for these. So my goal always is to try to make $10 profit. So how do you make $10 profit on an item that is $9? Well, you add in the shipping, your time to package, maybe. I think $9.99 shipping was a little bit steep for us on that one. We probably should have charged $8.99 or less. But the bottom line is the buyer got a good buy. The item was $9 and we made the $10 profit that I aim for. So that is how you can make $10 profit off an item that sells for $9. It's a pretty good trick. Let's look at a higher priced item. I'm trying to find one. There we go. $38.99 on this jersey. Okay. So $38.99, they paid $9.99 shipping, sales tax, okay. So you have the buyer all in at $52.41. Then you go down here and you look at, they take the sales tax out, then they're going to take the transaction fees out, they're going to take the shipping out, and for an item that we sold for $38.99, we're actually making a profit of $37.40 because the profit we made from the shipping here actually paid almost for all of the eBay transaction fees. Cool, right? So $52.41 they paid, we got $37.40. We paid $9, $8 or $9 for that, so that's a good profit of almost $30. So that is how you find out, you calculate the fees that you have paid on eBay items. On items that sell for less, let's look at this one, $74.99, okay? So it sold for $74.99, $9.99, $8.71 shipping, okay? So they paid $74.99, we only paid $4.20 shipping, but we did pay a $4.68 promoted listings fee. So that brings down our total quite a bit to $64.23 is what we made. However, it was probably a 5% listing fee, 6% maybe, I don't know, or promoted listings fee. But we actually paid $11.87 and then another $14.68. So that's almost $17 that we paid to eBay for fees on this $74.99 sale. That's quite a bit. We paid $8 or $9 for the jersey, so we ended up getting $64.23. So it was a great profit. So I'm fine with that. I'd rather sell items and get them sold quickly, make a profit, even if it's a little bit of profit, and keep it moving. Here's another one. We sold it for $11. Okay, so Catherine's, we probably paid $1 for this. This is either definitely from the bins or from a bale. I think it's from the bins because I don't think we got any blouse bales. So let's look. Item subtotal, okay, shipping, and then you go down here and you're going to say transaction fees from eBay are $2.55. The shipping label was actually pretty close. It was $4.15. So we made $10.29. So we didn't quite hit the $10 profit that I like, but I'm sure this was an offer we accepted, so I'm happy with it. Got it sold, got it out of the inventory, and I can spend that $10.29 on more inventory to turn. So thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. That is how you find exactly how much you're paying eBay, you're paying in shipping, how much you're profiting. Of course, the goal, as always, is to buy low, sell high, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.